Now I'm going to show you how to use the Trust Wallet desktop extension. That way you're familiar with all of the different ways that you can access Trust Wallet. So here we are on their official website, and what we're going to do here is click on the download extension button, and then you can choose between Chrome or different browsers. I'm using Chrome, so we're going to go ahead and select Chrome, and that's going to bring us over to the Chrome web store where we can add this extension to Chrome. So you're going to go ahead and click on that button here in the top right, and then you can click on add extension to your browser. Now once you add the extension, it's going to bring you to this screen right here that says welcome to the Trust Wallet extension, and you can either create a new wallet, import a wallet, or connect your Ledger wallet. Now Ledger is a hardware wallet. I might do a video on that in the future, but just so you're familiar with what those are, that's going to be for offline storage of your cryptocurrency. But what we're going to click on now is import or recover wallet using your secret phrase. And this will also show you that if somebody had access to your secret phrase or seed phrase, this is exactly what they could do on their end, just to show you how important it is to keep that safe and secure. So we're going to click on import or recover wallet. And at this point, we have to set a password for the extension itself. This isn't going to be for the app or anything like that. This is just the password that you're going to have to use to open up your extension on your browser, because anybody who had access to your computer would be able to access this. So this password protects you from unauthorized users accessing the extension. So go ahead and set this now, and then click on the next button. And now you're going to type in your 12-word secret phrase that we recorded earlier on in the tutorial. Now, if you're importing a different wallet and it has more words, you can change it to a 24-word phrase if that's what you have. But in this case, it's just the 12-word phrase from earlier. So I'm going to type that all in, and then we're going to click on the next button together. Once you have that all typed in, you're going to click on the next button. Now, for some reason, it's telling me this is an invalid secret phrase. So most likely I have a spelling error somewhere. So I'm going to check my words real quick. So I got the secret phrase to work, and the problem was I had one word written down wrong. Word number 8, I thought it was identity, but it was actually identify. So one letter can make this not work. You have to make sure you have the exact spelling and the exact word correct. So that is a really good example here of how things can get a little bit confusing with these secret phrases. Anyway, now we're going to click on the next button, and then we're going to either share data or click on no thanks, depending on your preferences. And then it gives us confirmation that we have successfully imported our wallet. And now we're going to click on open wallet, and we can now click the X in the corner here, and this is going to show us our wallet. Now you might be wondering why we have a $0 balance, because we don't have it displayed here. If we click on manage crypto, we would actually have to enable that wallet by searching for USDT. And then here we have the USDT BNB Smart Chain. If we click that and toggle that on, and now click on the back button, it shows us our balance here of $11.49. So you would have to click on manage crypto and toggle on any of your wallets that you have a balance in, and then it's going to show up here in the actual wallet. Now, as far as the desktop extension goes, it's pretty much just a mirror of the app, but you can access it from your computer. So it's just another way to access your Trust Wallet if you wanted to do things from your desktop, and it might be more convenient depending on what exchange you use and how you go about transferring your different crypto assets and that kind of thing. Now, the last thing I want to show you here is what you would do if you forgot your secret phrase. Let's say, for example, you don't have it written down somewhere and you wanted to view it. If you click over here on settings, you can then click on view secret phrase. And if you enter the password that we just set here for your extension, you can then reveal that phrase. So I'm going to do it now, and then we'll blur it out just so you're aware of how it works. And then if we click on show, this is going to show us once again our secret phrase. So if you do lose it, you can access it at least through the desktop extension, and it might also be available in the app as well. Another useful feature here I'm going to show you is the history tab. This is going to show you a history of all of the transactions that have taken place in your account. If we click on load more, I don't believe there are any more in here, but this can be helpful if you're trying to recall what activity took place within your Trust Wallet.